Lamdamasi Semilon Sakonanaba driver and the helper sing a Tawai Kubak the Haptuna Saliba, National Highway sing Sembik Tabak Atubada Lushana Bahona Ganehina Manipur Lengaki Textile, Commerce and Industry Samsung Transport Additional Chief Secretary Anuraj Bajpai Fondo Kray. All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union Amasung Joint Coordinating Committee 37 Drivers Day Observation Sinduna Kuntratrelak Suba Drivers Day Gitarunga say Tami Bandaliba Tau Ground of Pangtokray. Tarongi Manungsana Masagi Mato Pangtopada Lake Hidraba Drivers Singima from the Laisukatun Ekaikunaba Udki. Atoiba Mitunglen Saruyakiba Assistant Chief Secretary Anuraj Bajpai Hai. Iram the Manipur Sida Ladiba Asigi. Drivers singna Akankana Miam Gidamak Puriba Amadi Lauriba Todang Singasi Equina Masakanga Bane. Drivers sing a one Honaduna Panglapa Senpam Koraduna Imun Puba Kaknatana Masama Susing Mahi Fawa Tamhana Bahonari Bane. Ana lying Sanatanaba Larik Sutamba Kaktanatana Sakwa Tarangi Hiram Singha drivers sing a Asoba Togang Lori Haiki. Amoram the Hosi Lam the Masigi Mapung Kada Lambi Tong Shamjin Saziliba as in Sinatragna contractors sing a Atumatam the Tabak Loshina Bahona Buhaina Mahana Pongdoke.
Very significant role being played by our drivers. They are the backbone of our transport system and indeed our economy. Today is the day to recognize and honor this invaluable service of the drivers. Every driver holds not only a steering wheel but also the responsibility of human lives. Safe driving, respect for traffic rules and consideration for pedestrians and fellow road users are essential for reducing accidents and making our roads safer. I would appeal to the people who are putting hindrance on construction of good national highways. I would appeal to them that let the road be constructed as early as possible because it is required for the development of the state, safe transport system, safe life of our drivers and the people.
Thoramadu the Saruyakiba Joint Coordinating Committee 37 Drivers Day Observation Convener Maimum Anila Fongokibada Nasi January Tang Taramari Midasida Drivers Day Palan Taribasi Maruina Kumzalising Masmapan Marifudra January Tang Tareta Nagalinge Zubzada Driver Amadi Henneman Sing Masakang the Bamuy Sina Fajinduna Tamtina Hatkiba Todoki Matung Mian Mitare Nisumna Kongsang Sanction Kibada Matamadu Gilegan Asuguma Todokasi Makatana Tola Rehana Tazo Perpodage Kongsangadu Handoke High Ribbon Adu the Hona Driver Day Palan Toduna Laki Manahai Nongsunung Samadi Kudongsa the Bukiagi Marakta Ahinung till night and a Miam Gitabak Toriba Driver Sing Otpine Bigimota Makoibu Hena Puning Togatuna Tona Pangal Happy Haiki.
Maruena all Manipur transport drivers and motor worker union hygienic with the Singam Sung Tamda Lady Parza Punamakita Montani, the Sana 37 number 2. High River Sangla Belami and Ishida, Awa Misak Hangaga, drivers in China Manipur Prazaki, the Mota Sana with Hangabo, Mayamasi, whenever you have a way of Mayamatori, Masi Punamaxi Manipur Ladiba, Singam Sung Tamda CSO or licensing Mam Puna, Haminaraga, I see drivers in Sungasiki, Miami the Mother Shabata. Biribani have a Kanbiraga, Punamanga, drivers in the Minunsi Tambu, drivers in the old neighbor to Wiganu, Hariban Nasiki, Midasiki Hauna, Manipuri Mapung, drivers in Go, Miyangi Shaba, Makalam, Natohun, Pangan View, have a appeal.